How to fix WhatsApp images not downloading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp images not downloading on Android phone. First go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then apps again, and here just type WhatsApp, click on it and then click storage. Now click clear cache and then go to permissions. That here we'll find storage. You will find it like that. Just click on it and click allow, and that's it. Now just click force stop and go back, try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and don't forget like, and see you in the next video.